function of innovation and productivity, they would sustainably create employment for the people of Pakistan, for the poor people of Pakistan, with medium skills to medium to high skills to lower skills. We would encourage the agricultural sector of Pakistan to move towards productivity, and not towards productivity, but also towards sustainability in the way of climate, by using renewable energies and so on and so forth. And I'll get to the sector, I'll get to the problems of the sector in a second. But I just wanted to create a very clear vision for you. That our vision is to energize Pakistan. When we say Pakistan, most of it in my mind, 90% of it in my mind are the people, the poor people of Pakistan, the disenfranchised people of Pakistan. So we are going to energize these poor people towards mobility, upward mobility, and that is through creating very productive commercial, industrial, and agricultural footprint, and that would be fostered through level playing field and competition. And that is our vision, in very simple terms. But if I talk about innovation and productivity and creativity and ingenuity and marketplace, and you can't see the poor people person behind it, a poor family behind it, then I think this vision is amiss. So energize the poor people of Pakistan, so they can be productive members of the society, of the workforce, take care of their children, and take care of their aging parents, and continue towards the pathway to prosperity. That's our vision. What is the problem? If the vision is as clear, and I don't believe this is only my vision, or people before me didn't have this vision, or it's not shared by the House, and I'd be open to the questions, and you can tell me, well, here are a few additional components to this vision. Then the question is, what are the key problems? What stands in our way? Why have we not been able to move in that direction? So I would present to you three key problems in the energy sector right now. The first and the foremost problem is the problem of availability. We have a supply and demand gap, and that's a massive problem. Some people call it energy security as well. But at the end of the day, it's the requirement of the country, the energy requirements of the country, which are suspect. And because they are suspect, therefore many people call them security issue, other people call them availability issue, but the bottom line is that our needs are not met with the supplies that we have, and that's a problem. The second problem that we're having is the problem of affordability. Even if we were able to make the energy available, the cost at which we can make the energy available, or the tariff at which we can make the energy available to the people of Pakistan and to the industrial sector of Pakistan, it's not affordable. People can't buy it. How good is energy that you cannot buy, that you cannot afford? It's almost as good as nothing. May as well not have it. So the second important part is affordability. And the energy sector of Pakistan is becoming unaffordable. And it's becoming unaffordable nearly by all. But the most important component here is that poor people